Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Kim Tae-young was a man of few words, always calm and distant like a cold water breeze. He rarely showed his feelings, making it hard for anyone to understand what went on his heart. To the world, he was a serious, successful businessman and BTS member, but to his wife, he often felt like a stranger. Mayan was a ray of sunshine in human form. She had a natural ability to light up any room she walked into. Her laughter infectious and energy boundless. She found her in the simplest things like watching the sunrise dancing in the rain or even making friends with stray cats in their neighborhood. Taeyang's cousin Minji was a confident and outgoing woman who never hesitated to say what was on her mind. She had a bad habit of being over-friendly with Taeyang, always teasing him or finding excuses to be close to him. From playful compliments to outraged flirting, Minji's behavior often blurred the line between family affection or something else. Taeyang's closest friends, the BTS members, were like a second family to him. They had been together through thick and thin, their bond built on trust, laughter, and countless shared memories. Each one brought a unique energy to the group, making their circle lively and full of warmth. Whether it was giving advice, cracking jokes, or simply being there in silence, they were Taeyang's safe haven. Wayan was scrolling through her phone when she stumbled upon a compilation of funny reaction videos. An idea sparked in her mind. With a mischievous grin, she started planning for dinner. YN had spent the whole day preparing for this dinner. The food was perfect, the house sparkling clean, and she couldn't wait to host Shane's friends. One by one, they began arriving, and the evening promised to be lively from the start. The doorbell rang, and YN opened it with her brightest smile. Jane walking in with a playful grin. Ah, I'm finally here. The one and only worldwide handsome has arrived. Before YN could say something, Sugar spoke, Yoongi, sarcastically raising an eyebrow. Yeah, right. Let me just get my sunglasses. Don't want to be get blinded by your shining worldwide beauty. YN laughed at the cute outfit. Also glancing through the doorway. Don't worry, YN. I will keep the energy alive. Let's turn this into a party. YN, you should hookah. Ha ha ha. Jungkook, oh my god, you are looking so much beautiful, Nuna. Jimin teasing YN. Careful, Jungkook. You know Taeyang might get jealous if we compliment her too much. YN blushed at their compliment. Namjoon smiling warmly as he stepped in. Thank you for having us, YN. I'm sure this will be a memorable evening. YN laughed, shaking her head at their antics and led them all into the living room. The boys immediately made themselves at home, chatting, joking, while YN finished setting up the table. Just as the laughter peaked, the doorbell rang again. YN heart skipped a beat. She was sure it was Chiang this time. Wiping her hands on her apron, she rushed to open the door. Her smile froze when she saw Taeyang standing there with Minji clinging to his arm. YN forcing a smile. Oh, Taeyang, Minji, you are here? Come in. Minji stepped in confidently, flashing a smug smile at YN while Taeyang, oblivious to the tension, greeted her casually. Minji smirking. Wow, YN, you really went all out. I'm impressed. YN tight smile. It's just a casual dinner, nothing special. As they entered, the energy in the living room shifted. The boys exchanged glances, sensing something was off, but YN quickly brushed it aside and welcomed everyone to the table. The evening was just beginning, and the real chaos was just yet to unfold. Minji smirking at YN while sitting too close to Taeyang. Oh, YN, you are so lucky to have Taeyang. Though I do wonder how someone as serious as him handles someone so carefree. YN felt a sting but forced a polite smile, trying not to let Minji's word affect her. What made things worse was that Taeyang often sided with Minji, seeing her as nothing more than a playful younger sister. He never noticed the jealousy or tension in Minji's behavior. Taeyang chuckling when Minji grabbed his arm. Taeyang, she is just joking, YN, don't take her seriously. Minji's constant presence and her way of keeping Taeyang's attention on herself made YN feel sidelined in her own marriage. YN wanted to believe Taeyang was innocent in all of this, but the growing closeness between him and Minji was made her feel isolated and unsure of where she stood. Namjoon pulling Taeyang aside to quieter corner, his expression serious. Taeyang, can I ask you something? Taeyang, leaning against the wall, looking indifferent. What is it, Taeyang? Namjoon, grimly. Why are you so casual with Minji? She is not your wife, Taeyang. YN is. Don't you see what's happening? Your relationship with YN is falling apart and you are not even trying to fix it. Taeyang sighs, avoiding Namjoon's gaze. Taeyang, you are overthinking. Minji is she is just a friend. There is nothing wrong. Namjoon shaking his head. Taeyang, YN is your wife. She is the one who matters, not Minji. If you don't realize this now, it may be too late. Taeyang shrugs casually, forcing a smile. You worry too much, young. Everything is fine. Trust me. Without waiting for a reply, Taeyang walks back to the living room. Walking back to the room, trying to act normal but but his eyes immediately find Ryan who's adjusting the TV setting. Jacob clapping his hands excitedly. Alright everyone, listen up, I have a best idea for the night. Ryan turning to him with a curious smile. What is it, Hyosuk? J-Hope grinning brightly. We are going live with the army, and guess what? We will be reviewing our Hindi edits together. It's going to be epic. Jungkook laughing. Oh no, you mean those edits where we sound like Bollywood villains? Jimin telling, or those rare tanks starting dramatically into a place like crazy Cobra? While laughing, shaking their head. This is going to be absolute chaotic. I can feel it already. J-Hope playfully nudging Ryan. That's the whole point now. Hurry up with the TV. The army is waiting to see their masterpiece in action. Quietly watches the cloud and followed his eyes occasionally over Ryan and seemed genuinely administrative. Jacob starts a live with army and tells them about the theme. Jacob, so Ryan, let's start our movie.
ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਲਾਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਨਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ YouTube ਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਾ ਦਈਏ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ
Yoongi did when maybe they both be close to talking but just everyone started laughing or jumping in the house. Army was getting there while Yoongi actually enjoying the perfection. Jungkook, okay, next movie.
या अल्लाह पाक जन्नत 70 ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ 69 ਹੂਰਾ ਲੱਭ ਜਾਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਮਸਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਲਾ ਦੇ
Martin laughing uncontrollably. Oh my god, this is comedy gold. Who edited this? They deserve an award. Minji closing the arms of your eyes when you are laughing too much. You probably did this on purpose just to embarrass him. I were his wife, I would never do something like this. Minji raising an eyebrow is making us. Good thing you are not his wife. Or you are like a woman. J-Hope brushing into her she's going to their address like he did that wife. Then slightly embarrassed. Side-eyeing Minji. That's Minji. It's true that he and Ryan didn't even make this video. Did not play a video of this worldwide dancing worldwide. Are started to promote showing worldwide.
भाई कल ना एक आदमी हॉस्पिटल में अपनी आखिरी सांसें ले रहा था उसके बेड के पास एक नर्स और उसकी पूरी फैमिली खड़ी हुई थी भाई फिर उसने अपने बेटे से कहा कि बेटा मेरे जाने के बाद मिलेनियम सिटी में जो मेरे 20 बंगले हैं वो तू रख ले अपनी बेटी से कहा कि बेटी मेरे जाने के बाद सोनीपत में जो 14 बंगले हैं वो तू रख ले अपने छोटे बेटे से कहा कि बेटा तू मुझे सबसे प्यारा है इसलिए मेरे जाने के बाद ग्रीन पार्क में जो 20 दुकानें हैं वो तू रख ले और अपनी बीवी से कहा कि मेरे जाने के बाद तुम्हें किसी के आगे हाथ ना फैलाना पड़े इसीलिए प्रीत विहार में जो कोठियां हैं वो तुम रख लो ओ तेरी इतनी सारी जायदाद हाँ भाई नर्स ने उसकी बीवी से कहा आपके पति कितने अमीर हैं आप कितनी भाग्यशाली हैं तो भाई उसकी बीवी ने क्या जवाब दिया उसकी बीवी ने कहा अमीर अरे ये तो अखबार वाले हैं हमें सुबह सुबह अखबार डालने की जिम्मेदारी दे रहे हैं
Jin beaming. Now this is what I call a masterpiece. Worldwide funny video. Admit I am the highlight of the night. Why an uppa ha ha ha. Jimin, our army is so talented. Jungkook, let it get it roll. New video now.
ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸ਼ੀਸ਼ੇ 'ਚ ਫੋਟੋ ਦੇਖ ਲਾ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਲਾ ਇਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ
ऐसा देखा नहीं खूबसूरत कोई
Jin grinning proudly as the clip and see, even the editors can't deny my unmatched beauty. Yoongi deadpan. Right hand, the editors are probably blind from staring at all the unmatched beauty. Hyosuk laughing. Hyung, if you keep saying this, the mirror might actually quit its job. Namjoon chuckling but sincere. Let's admit it though. Jin Hyung does have a point. Jin pretending to swoon. Finally someone understands. Adam, you're finally my favorite from now on. Everyone laughs as Yoongi shakes his head and Hyosuk throws a question at Jin for his drama. Jungkook grinning mischievously. Why and you have been glowing lately? Is it the good food or is it just your natural beauty? Jimin winking playfully. Forget Taeyang. If I were your husband, I would never let you out of my sight. Taeyang glares at both of them, his jaw tightening as Ryan blushes slightly, caught off guard. Minji smirking as she looks at Ryan. Wow, flirting with younger guys now. How classy of you, Ryan. I guess you are too bored to notice the difference. Everyone goes silent, the mood turning tense as Taeyang's eyes narrows in Minji's direction. Jin raising an eyebrow. Minji, isn't that a bit too harsh? Maybe you should focus on your own business instead of spreading negativity. Yoongi with smirk. Oh, Minji, looks like you are taking the jealousy to a new whole level. Hyosuk light-heartedly trying to ease the tension. Come on, let's not make this dinner awkward. Ryan just having fun. Jimin defending Mayan, exactly, she deserves to have fun. Unlike some people, she knows how to enjoy herself. Minji glares at Jimin, but he just smiles back, unfazed by her insults. RM smiling at Yan, trying to lift her spirits. Don't worry, Yan. Army's been saying that you look amazing tonight. They love you. Minji's coughing, rolling her eyes. Army taste isn't the best though. They will praise anything. Jin grinning and adding, well, Minji, maybe you should take a hint. Army knows what's up. They are not wrong this time. Yoongi sarcastic tone. Yeah, you should definitely get a taste of that, Minji. Looks like you need a little lesson in what good actually means. Wine smiles slightly, grateful for her friend's support, but still feels a pang of disappointment towards Taeyang.
बच्चों, इलामा इकबाल मरने से पहले क्या थे? इलामा इकबाल मरने से पहले जिंदा थे मैडम.
Jin laughing at the video. Ah, the teacher of the year. This is what happens when you let me take charge in class. Yoongi sarcastically. Our teacher, huh? More like the class clown trying to act serious. Yusuk laughing out loud. Jimin is the cutest stutter kid ever. Jin, you have got a real challenge on your hands here, but honestly, I think Jimin is the one in charge. Jimin laughing too. Excuse me, I wasn't stuttering, I was just learning and challenge. Jin, you were the one. Couldn't stop laughing. Why and Jin? Honestly, I would be the one sitting in front of the video just waiting for these two to mess things up. I love this.
अगर कोई आप पे पत्थर फेंके तो आप उस पे फूल फेंको गमले के साथ.
हम पागल नहीं है भाई.
Jungkook laughing, yeah, but I would probably end up hitting them with the flower pot instead of the flowers. J-Hope giggling, Jane, are you trying to start a gardening business because you are seriously giving some weird advice for a fight? Suga sarcastically, oh sure, just throw a flower pot because nothing says peaceful resolution like a ceramic pot to the face.
अमीरों का रोने का स्टाइल. और हमारा अम्मा.
Jungkook, so nice argument. Yeah, man, you are like this. Suga, because you are with me. J-Hope, you have a point, sir. Minji, why all of you are against me, huh? Jimmy, Minji, stop sticking thing like two. Give the guy some space. Minji is holding my hand and it's not attention from everyone. Everything is a show for Taeyang. Filming but staying quiet. Play the next video. Taeyang's anger is evident but he remains silent. Minji's words strike a nerve and while he wants to speak out, he keeps sitting. The room feels tense as they get ready for the next one. Minji smirking. Whoa, look at Taeyang in this edit. He looks absolutely stunning. I mean, no one can pull off that look like he does. He is just too perfect, right? Honestly, Yan doesn't even suit him. He is way out of her league. I am the only one who should be with him. Taeyang growing visibly angry, his fist tightening. Minji, enough! Minji still not backing down. Oppa, what did I say wrong? I know you like me too. You don't need to pretend. Taeyang, his anger flaring, he steps closer and with one swift motion slaps Minji across the face. Enough, Minji. In my heart, there is only one person, and that's Yan. I will always be by her side. The room falls into stunned silence, but inside, everyone is secretly relieved that Taeyang finally spoke his truth. Even the members can't help but smile, appreciating the moment Taeyang defending Yan. Yan showed and blushing, her heart racing, she looks down, feeling the weight of Taeyang's words. Taeyang turning to Yan, his voice filled with sincerity, he gently pulls her closer. No one can ever take your place, Yan. You are my love and I kept quiet for too long, but enough is enough. With that in front of everyone, Taeyang pulls Yan into a kiss, making it clear how he feels, not caring who sees. Taeyang pulling away slightly, his voice firm. From now on, don't you ever show me your face again, Minji. Minji left from there while crying. Suga smirking with a playful tone. Finally, we have all been waiting for this moment, huh? Taehyung, you really made us wait long enough, but I am glad we got to see it. Took you long enough. J-Hope grinning at the camera speaking to the army. Army, did you see that? This is what true love looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Why and Taeyang finally gave us the show we have been waiting for. The camera shifts to the army's live chat as they flood the comment with excitement and joy. Army comments, oh, this is so cute. Finally, Taeyang and Wayan. Minji got what she deserved. Wayan and Taeyang forever. I can't believe they kissed. Taeyang is so brave now. Wayan is his true love. OMG, Taeyang finally spoke his heart to go Taeyang. Army love this couple. They are the best. After the live session, BTS decided to wrap things up. The room fills with a mix of laughter and chatter as they agree to give Taeyang and Wayan some alone time to talk and spend time together. Jin grinning, patting Taeyang's shoulder. You two deserve some alone time. Don't worry, we will leave you to it. Suga nodding with a smirk. Make sure you finally say everything. Taeyang, don't make us wait another year for a confession. J-Hope teasing, take care of Wayan Hyung. Don't let her run away. We trust you now. The members head out, leaving the house whiter than it had been in hours. Once they are alone, Taeyang looks at Wayan with a serious yet soft gaze, his hand slightly shaking as he speaks. Taeyang softly, Wayan, I know I have hurt you by being distant and I am sorry for not being open about my feelings sooner. I was scared, but now I realized I don't want to hide anything from you anymore. Wayan looks at him, her heart warm as she listened to his words. Wayan smiling gently. Taeyang, you don't have to apologize. I understand I have always been here for you. We are in this together and we always will be. She moves closer to him, placing her hand on his and whispering, you don't need to be perfect. I love you for who you are and that's all what it matters to me. Taeyang's eyes soften as he pulled her into a hug, finally feeling the weight of his uncertainty lift. Taeyang whispering in her ear, thank you for waiting for me, for believing in me. I promise I will make it up to you every single day. Wayan blushing, whispering back, I don't need grand gestures. Just you, always be my side, that's enough for me. I hope that all of you like the story. Please don't forget to like the story and leave a comment. And especially if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.